What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about when should you be moving out of your house once it's sold. If that's something you're going to be thinking about dealing with, then stick around. So the home sold, it's closed, it's done. Congratulations, get out. Well, don't do that, because basically we don't want you moving out of the house until that buyer has signed off on all their contingencies, including the loan contingency. And by that time, if they decide they want to back out of your house and don't want to buy it at the last minute for whatever crazy reason, which does happen, then they're going to lose some of their deposits. If they fall out of escrow and you've moved all your stuff out, now your house doesn't look as good as it did when you first sold it the first time around. Maybe the market's changed or something like that. I mean, we need to sell your home immediately and get it back on the market and get another buyer in there right away. Assuming you still want to sell it. The best way to do it is when your house still looks great. So leave everything in there until all those contingencies are signed off, and then once it's signed off, then we'll tell you, okay, get out. Pack up your stuff and you can head out, because now the buyer's got some skin in the game, and if they decide to back out, then you're gonna get some of their deposit. That's the best way to know when to move out of the house, is wait till we tell you. So that's it for this video on when's the best time to move out of your house. If you have any questions, call us or contact us, email us, whatever you want to do. Smoke signals, send us a telegraph. I don't know if they're still available. All right, we'll see you at your house.